I greet you. Akpadakpadakwo. This is Biafra and Radical Freedom TV. Today we are going to listen to our brothers, and this is with the intention of us finding solution to what is ravaging our land. We have been setting ourselves up against ourselves. So please do good to join us and make sure you are contributing to what we are doing. Share our program and don't forget to click on the like button, uh, comment, but responsibly. Please comment responsibly. We are here to help ourselves, because if we don't help ourselves, nobody will help us. So as you are coming in, we are employing you to click on the like button. Yes, if you are coming in, hit on the like button. Like we said, don't forget to share. Don't forget to share. Please, if it is your first time joining us, please do very good to subscribe to this channel. So we will be playing some videos. We will be starting with playing some videos, then we will respond to them. We target summarizing this program within an hour interval. So please don't wait until we get to the end before you invite people over. We want you to share until it gets to all our Igbo content creators, and to all Igbo youths as your hands can reach, because we are not helping ourselves. So I want to start by playing a particular response from Okigwe after so many accusations, after so many allegations against Gentle the Yahoo. So these brothers now are responding. We are having responses from different quarters, and we know it will not be in our interest for us to continue with this fashion. This one will accuse, the other one will come to respond, the other one will accuse. So it will not be in our best of interest. So I am setting up some things now, so please don't feel bad that we are delaying you. We are, please, I want you to share to people, to share to different platforms. The program is going to be this program to be very helpful. Okay? Are you? I hope you're getting bored. I am trying to get some of these programs that I want to use here. I hope you are still with us. Don't worry, I am happy also right now. I am waiting for some. I want to see a few people join before because um, we want people to also bring out some issues to iron out because there are different contents I can't play all from my phone on what is bothering us. The insecurity is real. It might be amplified. It might be over rated, or the alarm about it might be very big. But then the insecurity is real, and people are buying in large numbers, but people are politicizing it. You can see that we are trying to be fair enough and looking for solution so that it doesn't appear we are insensitive to the truth. So the onus of the matter is that there is insecurity, and yes, there is a very big element of politics about the insecurity, and we are allowing ourselves as Igbo people to be used by those who are profiteers of a bad system, those who are profiting from the bad system. They want situations to continue to worsen so that they will continue to profit. This is not what you are, it's not strange to you. You know about it. So today we want to look at what some of our content creators have done. Look at something like I mentioned yesterday in one of my programs what the English Alaji. He's an Igbo guy who lived in the north, and now I think he lives in foreign land now. He once lived in the north, so he speaks Asa Fulani very well. I don't know if he speaks Fufude, but he is doing some good programs, and he is a concerned Igbo guy who is not happy with insecurity in the land. Just that I have a little concern. My concern is he has been pushed by he has been pushed to accept the narrative by political elites that one guy, Commander Gentle, is in charge, is responsible for all the insecurity in the land, and him and his. So this is one thing I want us to come out from. This is a narrative that certain group of politicians are selling. If this one person is really in charge, by now everybody would have come together to stop him. But the truth be told, politicians have been using a lot of assassins. You know, political thuggery, you know about it, and how it has been in our land for so long. And you have not heard the name of any of these thugs coming to limelight. They are assassins. But they are bewitching a particular person, trying to associate him with, even when certain things are very obvious that these ones, you can say this one, there are certain ones you are not clear, you're not certain about, but these ones you know about, these ones are politically motivated, they will still say it's him. So it makes it very impossible for anybody to be able to say there is anything terror that is associated to this guy. Until then, this guy should still be exonerated. Until then. So now, I have not come to just protect one person. My solution, coming here is for us to look for how to help ourselves. Just last 2 months, the barrister, attorney to Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, a lot of you are too hypocritical, because some of the videos I'll play here, you still confess that you love Nnamdi Kanu, you stand for him and all of that. But what you act out, what you display, is in contrary. It is on the contrary. You don't in any way seem to represent Nnamdi Kanu. Because if you do, you will not be trying to do what you are doing. So please, lovers of freedom, I want to start by playing live chat on. Okay. Okay, so now I want to start by playing a particular voice. So let us go there. Let us go there. Because if we continue to analyze, we will not be able to capture a great deal of where we are heading to. So we start with this particular person, a brother of ours, Governor Ezioku.
This person, they won't have had you say, let's go. I want us to differentiate Paul and Barnabas. These guys are not men.
Now, I think Maka and Jaka ka onasi na on a raise ego for IPOB. So because none raise ego for IPOB, no surula bunde mado, no bulandi Igbo go Buddhist Amaka. So why in the Wetro Bido from here? So that you can, because yesterday him Bidoro can go see how the accusations, the basis had the accusations and paint it to look real. Now because no believer na Amaka Jaka believer no na support to Nnamdi Kanu, on support to Biafran struggle. So because of that, no ne bunde mado. But to his shame, after everything, even the Nigerian police could not buy any of those things because those things are not founded anywhere. No necessarily ego for IPOB. Because of that, onebu nde mado obolandi Igbo woto. So this is how people who talk Biafra, who speak Biafra, who believe in Biafra, who believe in Nnamdi Kanu, this is how they are rated. This is how they become terrorists. These are the basis. These are the background. These are the premises. These are the things that qualify them for being entangled or being involved in terror. You heard him now. So let us continue to play.
Members of ESN, and you as a senior IPOB member, you are supposed to give order. You are supposed to give order to the original ESN and say, go, they should go there and check these boys. This person, they won't have had you say, let's go. I want us to differentiate Paul and Barnabas. These guys are not members of ESN, and you as a senior IPOB member, you are supposed to.
Now look at why I reversed it, why I back forwarded it. Now he said here, don't erase go for ESN. Now couldn't water how craftily omunai nacho ijaka ha wene ne la I nebu ha. Now Amaka Jaka na erase go for ESN. Now ESN bo the security outfit of the IPOB. Okay. So now, Owesizegi now, Nandinka Abro original IPOB. Now he is now trying to give credence to the same IPOB where the ESN Amaka Jaka Sone Rezirego. No, so suddenly, get the logic. Onya now in the other video play chara here before side down now. About Sone Rezirego for ESN. That place he's condemning IPOB nke ESN obo the security outfit of IPOB. So now suddenly, because there is a target, there is a goal to defame Ihobuna Basara Simon, because that's the only person in the fire after Nigeria Nnamdi Kanu. So everything when Nnamdi Kanu no, if some of the people who are now coming to sympathize with Nnamdi Kanu today are doing that because Neji. So here Basa Biafra. Yeah. So they are now targeted but Neji they go Nnamdi Kanu. So anybody now, they now begin to love Nnamdi Kanu. So any other person that will carry the fire to sustain the fire, to pick up the race to sustain the fire, they will now want also to now bewitch that person and then exonerate on color because all are in their cage already. So get the logic. Now let's play.
Give order. You are supposed to give order to the original ESN and say they should go there and chase these boys away from Omaka so that they will peace on Omaka.
But we have commander in control and we have a structure.
Can I have
I'm not done that way.
Sir, I will be very, very happy. I will be very, very happy if I can have number of Mazi Chike Doziem that I may call him myself. But I will not call him. I will not call him live broadcast. I will be really want to connect. I'll connect you, talk to them. Yes, please.
Good. I want you to be understanding what I'm saying. Let's be very logical enough. Ka happy in Egypt na ya ngari. Onye abu governor eziokwu ọ nwanna anyị nwoke. Now, ihe ọ na-akọwala gị bụ Nnamdi Kanu mgbe ahụ ọ dị free. Na Amaka Njaka ha so na-ere eziri ya ego ji eme ESN. Ejidego Nnamdi Kanu bụ ezigbo mmadụ. Then onye nke ahụ bu ọkụ bunyere ọkụ Nnamdi Kanu gonyere n'aka. Then onye nke ahụ bụ onye oshi because ejidego Nnamdi Kanu now the next person bụ ejidere Simon na-ebunatara ha ya. Then onwekwa onye ọzọ chọrọ ise n'isi they will now keep on quenching the fire. That is the target. Onwekwa ebe nka ya ejekwara. Then if now that the same ESN now ọ na-agwa gị bụ the GOC bụ Chinasa Nworu and the HOD bụ Chika Doziem. Now the Chika Doziem ahụ ọ na-ekwu only that ESN aha na-ereziri ego Amaka so na-ereziri ego bụ ndị na-egbu mmadụ. Today ha na-azụ egbu mmadụ. Ị na-aghọta the game. Ndị nke ahụ bụ ndị na-egbu mmadụ mgbe ahụ. So kịta duto na onwego onye ọzọ bunitere dị ọkụ ndị nke akwụzi n'ọkụ. So the target now they want to use ndị nke to quench the fire onye nke ọzọ bụ. Na Chika Doziem na-aghọla a cent. So osozi na ndị na-egbu mmadụ ahụ ma Amaka Njaka so na-eziri ego. Ọ ka kwa Chika Doziem ha ka bụ ka onye isi DOS, HOD DOS. So now, are you getting the logic? Are you getting the logic? So Chika Doziem now, bụ onye isi ọ chọzi ịkpọzi nọmba Chika Doziem na. Now, beyond that ka anyị na-eteki ya nwayọ nwayọ. Ọ chọziri isi na iweta fon kpọzie Chika Doziem na wee nyezie ya aka kwanyekwuo ya aka sọpọtụ ya nweke wetekwuo ego ọsọ adịkwuo ya na ka ọ wenitekwa egbe na ka eje gbue ndị nke ọzọ. Ọ sịzi na onwe ndị nke ọzọ bụ ndị nke nọ ndị nke kwesịrị na ka akpọ nọ ndị nke ọ sị nọ ndị nke Simon na bụ ndị nke buzi dị ọkụ na. So ka Chika Doziem na bụ nke bụ ndị ogbu mmadụ ahụ Amaka Njaka na-atụrụ ego na ka ewejezi ego nyeze Chika Doziem ahụ nyekwuo ya mụọ egbe ka ejezie wee gbuwe ndị nke ọzọ a sị na anọ na those places ọ kpọsịrị afa. Ịghọtara ka ndị Igbo si eme onwefa. Nye me gọwọ ndị si unu na ọ bụrụ na ọ ma n'otu a ka ndị Igbo dị na ọkara dị westba time ya bịa westba ndị mmadụ ndị amị ndị Naijiria ka ebe a na-anọ agha. So ihe ọ kara eme bụ onye chọrọ mmadụ one nọ dị otu a nyere ego na ndị Igbo eji aka ha wee definish onwe ha. Now you remember na no way fair this man kakwu Shegumi nke ya ahụnụ white. Now Shegumi said na nidiro ka ihe a na-eme abịa na-egbu ndị a na-egbusi ndị amị anyhow no na ihe a ekwusi federal gọọmenti kwụsịzie ị na-enye ebe west ndị amị ba ọzọ iweta ego na-enefe egbe bunye Igbo youths ka ha jiri ọrụ ha. Now you can see how na o ji bụrụ ndị Igbo na-eji aka ha agbanwe ha egbe n'ụkwụ. So why are you allowing politicians to use you? Why? Just a couple of weeks ago, Soludo just kosia the game. Before Soludo now could the game, Chetena the campaign. By the month of August last year, July, August last year, the Chief of Defense Staff, Musa G. Sirena, needed media help. Akwokria, he needed media help, okay, help always na media against the why. Una chetera, is it true? I want you to confirm it. You can browse it, Ebe, Chief of Defense Staff. Type it in any language you want, how you can phrase it. You will see it from different sources. Yeah, for Chairman Arise TV and different sources. He said it. Now, Oku said the thing. Oku say the thing. Urukwakwa this year again. Okukwe again. Now, Oku say again. This within the last 3 months to 2 months ago. Hey, Bidokukwe the thing again. Now about media. But as if that one had enough. Afuze na nka ha na ebezie simba. No de kan di Igbo ada bata na army ofuma. Kan di Igbo bata na army. Kan di Igbo bata ka e wee mee gịnị? Ka e wee continue ọrụ a gọvanọ eziokwu si ka ọkpọzie DOS ndị amaka njaka ha na-atụrụ ego bụ ndị bụ ogbu mmadụ. Ha abụzi ogbu mmadụ. N'ọzọ ha ka ya atụzi ego ka ejezie bido gbawa war ndị Igbo versus ndị Igbo. Kwe na ghọta the game na ndị ka ndị Igbo adịghị ekwezi ka e recruit ha na ndị amị. No, ndị Igbo ebido na-emegbe ọfa ka ndị Igbo na-join army. Why? Because ha nọ na ha ghọta na no Maazị Nnamdi Kanu mgbe the struggle get serious say ndị be anyị pụtasịa amị na nekwe na ihe na-eme ọkwa a na-ala ekike tie anyị n'iru ebe ndị Boko Haram ga na-egbu anyị, something like that. Not something like that mere. So now they saw that I use nkwe diplomacy counter kwa ihe Nnamdi Kanu mere. Because as long Nnamdi Kanu nọ na nga, the more influence ya ga na-win down. That's what they feel. So now they feel it is a good time to begin to destroy those things diplomatically. So you know, for the statements recently, and I say that they are beginning to gain ground. The Simon, check it. Here when I'm type oya na only so ni kenda agha ndị obodo Nigeria say na the the Simon, the insecurity and all of that is winning down. Is it not true? Type it. You see it even car within this week. So now. You know what now? Soludo we batazie to continue that thing. We see unu. Bogas America. Na insecurity na Igbo. Na 99.9% Bondi Igbo na emia. Kina ote bene use brain unu now. Then the kind of the thing na ka na ebutere unu monde army. Ana ebutere unu. Na ị ga na ajọ onwe gị. With the height of insecurity niile no na northeast, how many can walk in 10 years? Boko Haram issue are lasting now for more than 10 years or queer. So in total, how many the Mado Kabarokona villages and northeast? So gentlemen nekwoku aputago me video say na biko na ndị Igbo MS now encourage ka name o me video ka dey fresh the video etebere aka that na ndị asị na ọha bụ ndị na-akọsi security and na-achọrọ ịchụwa ha na why eji na-emebisi agbasi ụlọ ndị mmadụ ọkụ mana emesịa destin na amecha asị gị na ọ gentle na agba ụlọ ndị mmadụ ọkụ na dọbụ na ịchọ ha na ha bụ gentle ha na ha na-ebi n'ụlọ n'ụlọ mana ha ebi ha n'ụlọ na ụlọ ya bata n'ime ọfịa ebe ha nọ unu chi igbo ha na unu gbuo ha dị unu hapụ ị na-emebisi ndị mmadụ a na-eme ndị mmadụ enwere ụlọ chetakwa na mgbe emebiri ụlọ nke yanwa sị ozugbo emebichara gọọmenti mebichara ụlọ ya jekwụọ ya ụgwọ video ọ dị fresh ọwụ Jovika playere ya eji m ya mekwu program gọọmenti kwụrụ ya ụgwọ nye ọkwụ for 15 million naira anụ na ya biko ya na-atazi 10 mgbe eji emebi ụlọ nne ya now ndị one bụzi ndị nọ at the receiving end poor masses and gị nwa bụ onye Igbo na-akụ aka sị gbaba ụlọ ndị mmadụ ọkụ. Why not ịchụba ndị a bụ ndị feel no ha na-cause the insecurity? Why are you going now to cause pain, hardship to innocent people? Ebe isi na ndị nka adịrị innocent. Gentle signal, if you feel na ọha then n'ịchụba ha unu na-eme encourage na agba ụlọ innocent people ọkụ. Now the energy unu ji eme because content creators governor okwu ọkwa ifugon because eziokwu na-akwụ ọtọ okwu asị na-agbago agbago. Politicians are manipulate ka dagwa ihe niile gbasara ndị Igbo before a na-enwe igwe for to have a traditional ruler kitazi always appointment even all the tenure dị ka to a governorship tenure nke ha kazi njọ that even governor will do and do about. In fact, we no more have anything sacred. The only means of having a free information and uncompromised information on social media una emekwala Aloow ka penetrate onukwa When a politician now will call social media content creators, Abunu, Enyesunu, brown envelope. Am I lying? Is it not in the public space? This is a height of moral decadence. It's a height of moral decadence. I can't remember. I took some time, like a week now, nature, if I have seen a society, any human society in the Middle East, by human rights, in the Asian world, not even in the backward Africa. I can't remember any African country that social media content creators, the only people that has that freedom of expressing or giving raw information without being compromised. So as bad that even social media content creators submitted themselves for manipulation of the political elites or the terrible. And you people don't know the implication of this. The implication banana our by again. I want all of you to set your conscience. Are you happy with the pictures you are seeing over the social media every day about your own home? Like I was about saying, I don't know if I completed it. The barrister, the attorney to Mazin Namdekano, the person you people are claiming to love, came out and preferred solution. He said he was banking or borrowing a leaf from what the current DSS bulls said. The DSS bulls said it clearly. He said it without, he don't want to be pretentious about it. He didn't want to, he was so open. He said in his own community, he set up security apparatus. And he monitor it himself. And these people are well armed. And what are they doing? That the Fulani people are going about every state of the federation. But Governor Zoku, you don't have time to do programs to expose these things. You people now have succeeded in exonerating alongside Soludo. Why? Because Soludo feel by doing these things, he will outsmart P2B. By doing this thing, he will join Dave Omahi, who said, go and look for the video where Dave Omahi, tell anybody, if you can't get it yourself, tell anybody who is more regular in social media to give you a video where Dave Omahi said that it's not time for Igbos yet. And P2B is not the right person. When it's time, it is them, like somebody like him, Dave Omahi, that should be in the forefront. The same thing is what Soludo is saying. Ndi Igbo kede onye mere unu ife a. I am just like my master, my leader, Mazen Namdekano already know. I know. Even Peter Obi himself is wasting time. But when you are looking at it from the Nigerian situation currently, none of these people can compete with Peter Obi. But because of the jealousy, the thing we have done to ourselves, we are the ones. We are the instrument fashioned against our own selves. We are the weapons fashioned against our own selves. To what end, Ndibo? Ndibo, to what end? And the barrister Aloow Ejimako, the legal luminary of great intellectual sophistication, saying that the same way the DSS bulls, current DSS bulls, did it in his community, that it is high time Ndibo runs to Azubike Hejirika. That Ndibo should, as a matter of urgency, run to Azubike Hejirika, and then Azubike Hejirika will gather all the Igbo boys who has been in the security field. Now he organized them so that this crime, accusations and counter accusations, will cease. But what the politicians do, immediately they learned that this is a big solution. Because if Azubike Hejirika comes in, Azubike Hejirika knows the truth. He knows that all these accusations against these men is simply because the politicians want to blacklist them, just because none of these politicians want this Biafran issue to fly. They want to quench it as soon as possible with anything possible, no matter the level of blackmail and whatever, however it is against humanity, they will do it. That is why when you are doing these things, be searching your conscience. The insecurity, if he never touch you, he go touch you tomorrow. If he never touch you today, what you are promoting, he go get to you. I am saying it because I know that is how life happens to people. If you are protecting evil, I am not saying that there are not people, there are like I said when I was addressing Jovic, I said there are people who are in the name of struggle, committing havoc and all of that. So now, we cannot, because there are bad eggs. That is why these politicians don't want the movement to stand well, because they know if it stands very well, if it stands very, very strong, nobody will be able to commit any of this kind of crimes and terror within our area at all. Nobody will be able to do anything of such if this, because they will make sure nobody is in possession of rifle within the territory. All the allegations of the Nigerian security forces being accomplice in these things, has it not come from all quarters? Many sincere Nigerian elites have said these things at one point or the other. They don't know, maybe when they are trying to, fight against their opponents, they say it. They don't know. Tell me any politician that have not said it. Any strong Nigerian politician that speaks out very loud. Tell me the one. Adam Soshomole have said it. The governor of the governor of what do you call it? Please, Benue, Oton, former governor of Oton of Benue, he said it. The current DSS boss said it. Nigerians, protect yourself. The former Zamfara governor said it. It's time for Nigerians to protect themselves. T.Y. Danjuma said it. Now, going home to form. Yesterday, I did a program also. I showed you people what happened. So please, I did not put these things, this program for monetization so that it doesn't hang you. It's not about money. I did not put it on monetization so that it don't delay you watching the program. Please, we have a thing to play. We have a program that we are playing. So let me see some people calling me. Okay, Mazi. Yeah, you can. Okay, if you want to contribute, please, somebody should help me type this my WhatsApp number. Type it on the comment section, please. Somebody should help me do that. Please help me type my, if you are with my number, please type it there so that people who want to call in can easily call in and contribute. But for now, let me play this program. Let me play this Governor Zoku, so we continue with the analysis. Anaba ekubi maybe something like that. So we should share for other people to see. I'm not seeing that this program is shared, please share for others to join.
This person, they won't have you have to encourage the Igbo, like you said. You have to encourage the Biafra. Only come on it as well as by better by cremation. I'm on my Eastern prospects. They come up and release Margin and that is the only solution. And we encourage them, number two, we encourage our people. Let them support ESN. My daughter, my cremation, we are just killing each other. We are just killing. Okay, sir. What we talking about it, on their own. I go to the code. Everybody, all of you say, everybody say, real time on what driving with the. You know the head is everywhere is cool. Graduate is a gradual. So the number one thing is to make sure that we come together, make sure that we fought any the. That's number one thing. And number two, to let our people support ESN, support ESN. Man, we have been guy. How do we see that? How do we see that? Support that? We don't want to know that. Let them come up. We have website. We have website. We have everything. Let them help us. Now we have fundraising. We are going places doing our own. That's my name. How many times sir? How do how do we see them? How do we see the person? Either not sponsor, not support. How do we see them? How do we see them? We will talk offline. Okay, I will call you back.
Okay, I hope you heard him. Also, now to support the same ESN. Why he is comfortable now talking about ESN now? It's not for that the ESN is no more as strong as it used to be. It's no more very. This is the structure. This is the security outfit that did their job perfectly well, as in the demand of it, or as that time demand. They gave what was, appropriate for that time. They did the work very well. Now, like this brother is, the caller here now was suggesting, we must support our own. We must support the ESN. As at that time, we must support the ESN. Now, why did this guy so? And that is the problem. Because we want to make money from social media, because we want to make money, we cause damage that we cannot repair. A lot of people who follow this man, that time now he was threatening, jailing Ogechin Jaka. Hey, not Amaka, Ogechin Jaka. He did not know that now, unless, like I'm just analyzing, he is so deliberate about what he's doing. He destroyed Chanka. Afghan and card is weak. It is Chobaze also to target the next strong one. By destroy Chagore Afghan or is vulnerable. It is there. Where I told you okay, strength now we destroy the other one. Okay, forgot the thing now. Yes, because Odemma that we are just analyzing from what you are hearing.
Hello, let's go on. Okay, but I don't know if make a reference concerning this last call of Puna. There is nothing like ESM anymore. I can assure you that. Those guys now not doing ESM before how are we? They with this group after them to the Yahoo and all of them, even this engineer. And I want to change one. I want to correct one impression people like that in the Ebony state, in the other state. Now how are we? Because associated. Engineer of life. Yeah, engineer of life is from Imo State. John to the Yahoo is from Okibo, from Mako, in the middle. This Afari too is from Imo State. Yes.
Okay, now, if for the contribution of these people, and this, some of these scholars are very objective. They may not belong to your own school of thoughts, but they are very objective. This guy is now telling him you people are quick to allow sentiment. Okay, emecha say onye Ebonyi State, onye say Ebonyi State, nwa Abakaliki and all of these things. Now, he's asking, what happened to these other people? Aside Dokubo Siebe, onye nke Osiebe, onye nke Osiebe. So it's not about Ebonyi State. It's about the reality on ground. But you people allow politicians to play on your psyche. Amana, there is one thing that you easily fall for. Oh, onye Boy State, onye za, they will now to worsen it and say onye za, wow, and all of that. Now, because there is one language that their master, the Fulani, gave them. Divide and rule. Divide and rule. Now, the other one who had I don't know if I will have time to play or something. Now, he was not telling you, oh, it was the gather Abakaliki boys. And this, he's not the first person. That has always been the agenda. Some other people will say, oh, the ordinary Abakaliki boy, Simon Ekpa. Today, even the Ebokuna is telling you Simon is not even, now, they have even given Simon a Fulani name. Now, they forgot that this same Simon was a Nigerian athlete. That Simon's profile has been in the public space before today. So, when they want to destroy you, they know that you are very cheap because you any little small money, you begin to confess. Now they cannot say the Nigerian journalists, you a little brown envelope, they now begin to confess to the beauty of Lucifer. They will give you good confession about the beauty of Lucifer. That is what our people have done. Now it's worsening by the day, especially amongst those who are in the social media as content creators. Look at this.
We all love Martin and become with our hearts, with our bread and soul.
Yes.
One day, Nnamdi showcased this young man in Memoria. Every young man and woman in Nigerian constitution, they call them non-state actors. No idea. Let's now have ESN that they will protect our mothers and our fathers from the bush. We are very happy. These young men were given odds. Now, at that time, everybody was saying that these men are under the control of Nnamdi Kanu. Now, Nnamdi Kanu was captured in Kenya, and Simon Ekpa hijacked ESN. But I want to ask you, even people can anybody don't the last two caller that called, can anybody account for those guns if they reduce ESN and gas? And when you got those boys in jail by can anybody account for them?
No.
How are we sure nobody still gone can be account later or more against the league? Because nobody is accounting. They are accounting to nobody.
Okay. I just want to quickly weld into this. Now he said, this man now, the last caller here now said he's referencing the last caller before him. Now he's saying, nan ebeni nende aji. Like given na say na aji jekuru. Na yes na isobu na condemn bu. Now in go heads on rate today now. Na choose ka ije support they ha nka iji di choka atubo oge chinjaka. Now it was ka ije support wa ha kete again. Na nke egbe nke enye bu henye kede ebe the can they account for it? The guy is trying to be objective from his own view. Now, but he did not understand a game. He came out from the very background, but he somehow missed something. And that's no misery, the very important. Now, that's no miserable. Also, that while Nnamdi Kanu was actively doing the job, which even Mayawa Magavenezoku and every person that mean well love Nnamdi Kanu for what he was doing, what he set up to do, what he was actually doing, and what he told us he was doing. He set up this security outfit to protect our mothers, our children, our sisters, so that they will go to their farmlands and come safely home and all of that. Now, that he was now captured, he was kidnapped, and he used his language that will be fair enough. Now, that when he was now kidnapped, things began to go wrong. Then, the question now is, why was he kidnapped? Now, if to this extent you accepted that what he set out to do was good, what he was actually doing was good, at that moment that he was doing it, we were safe, and you agreed with that mission. So why are you now very comfortable today, sitting in your house, condemning agitation or protest for his release? Why? Why are you so cold, waiting until you now finish destroying Simon, then you now begin to talk about the release of Nnamdi Kanu? Why? That he sacrificed his convenience, the wonderful intelligence that God gave him, which is uncommon, that he should be having a very good life for himself as a prince. And he came out to do this, to give you, not his own mother, not his own father, not his own sister, because they are all well placed. He doesn't have anybody that is not well placed in his family. So now, he has a house in UK. But you, whose mother is in the village, whose sister is in the village, who is open to the attack, vulnerable in the hands of these terrorists that are ravaging our land, you are the one who understand that his mission, his vision, his goal, his intention is very genuine and good for you, and he was doing it very. So he's suddenly now captured or kidnapped, or whatever language you choose to use, and you are comfortable. Then somebody said we are coming to agitate so that we make sure that his kidnap is made worthless before the adopters. You are setting up against that person. Are you a good man? If you are able to say that what he was doing, Nnamdi Kanu was doing until he was kidnapped, that means you have agreed that Nnamdi Kanu was kidnapped so that the things they were saying, they were warning, will begin to come to manifestation. Because 90s are no easy. Those of us are then do to account for the so they begin to use it to do. So don't you know that it was a deliberate, it was so carefully orchestrated to make sure this thing you're talking about comes to happen? That now Mangwe's only gonna control this man, so that our land now will become in disarray. So don't you know? Don't you know? Okay, you want me to tell you before you know? Okay, now I'm telling you. I hope you now know. I'm telling you now. So then when will you now begin to feel agitated right inside your spirit to begin now to call for his release? How? When? When will you do that? So you can see. Let us continue to listen.
But this thing is structure. We structure will do it. The earlier the better. People should stand against this ESN of a thing. And what only feel like you know more, who at your mouth, where say, Nandini, believe. That's like Igbo men. They are full of God and believe there. Governor, since I never break the camp, since I am forced to camp, so they didn't down in Mado. Governor, if you look at the full area, this camps me now. Have you seen everything in the full area camps me now?
Okay, then, because on your banana now, let us be truthful to ourselves. How many governors could we in Igbo? Then let us go by their confessions, by those you call the chief security of all the states in Igbo land. Can you remember when Obiano said that the insecurity in Anambra State has nothing to do with IPOB? Can you remember that? Okay, the Obiano said it, Obiano left office. Now, can you remember that just about 8 months ago, or thereabouts, Soludo, is it up to even 8 months, when the commissioner Soludo's commissioner that was quiet in the one of the kidnap camps, the one that has to do with Fade Bubemonso, where Fade Bubemonso now begin to expose Soludo. Now, when the camps was busted, all the hoodlums that were in those camps, has any of them anything to do with IPOB? Please, I want us to be very objective. Let us be critical. When those camps were busted, when those gang leaders were apprehended, did any of them have anything to do with IPOB? Okay, that is already a no problem. Then, after they were apprehended, how were they released? Soludo came out and told you that they escaped. Why? Did it now connect very well to the accusation of Fadebube Monso? That when he came to the government that he want to he want them to take action so that his reverend father will be released. And Monso now said, after his interaction with the government, to the point that even he had to release money, when they said it was about logistics, he released money. Let us go. At a point, he said, I want to even lead the delegation. I want to lead the team. Let me go also with them. At the end of the day, what did the Monso tell you? I am still in Anambra now, because I will go to the different states. What did the Monso tell you? The Monso say, this has to do with politics. It is politicians. It is politicians. So, now, when will you people who are calling, and when will you people who are content creators begin to be truthful to yourselves, so that when there is no truth, people will never have redemption? Yes, because there will be no liberation with lies. It is only truth that will bring light, because darkness cannot comprehend it. So now let me tell you, Governor Ezioku, these people, when they are telling you, too, after Obiano said these things, now in Soludo's government, you now saw the connections. Now, some persons who was supposed to be contesting election in this current election, he was supposed to be contested, and suddenly he was seeming to have advantage, and suddenly kidnappers kidnapped him, and he died. He was killed just like that. Okay, now the people that killed him, after much push and pull by factors, including Ebube Monso, now the team entered the forest, and these people were rescued, and this had nothing to do with IPOB. And in the police detention, these people were set free, and we were told that they escaped. Don't you see that it is really political? Now leave Anambra. We can see about Anambra, because if you begin to count, we will sleep here today. Now go to Imo State. Even Hope Uzodimba, that is a Supreme Court governor, said it very clearly in a very simple language. Please pick up your phone and look for it from any newspaper, that the insecurity in Imo State has nothing to do with IPOB. Is that true or not? Is that true or not? So okay, let us let's continue. Now you go to Abia State. The Abia State governor said that it is political opponents that are causing the insecurity in Abia State. It did not stop there. Now, as you now went further to now exonerate the Fulani people, no problem. Now, if Abia State if only Igbo land now doesn't have anything to do with Fulani, that no Fulani man is in any Igbo forest. Are you hearing that now? That's what they're saying. Now, for you to know, when people talk with compromised mind, this is the same thing Soludo is saying. That 99.9% of, is that true? Pick up your phone. We follow development. We have how their syndicate work is reported by the Nigerian newspaper, reported by Nigerian journalism, Nigerian mainstream media and social media every day. Every now and then they block Enugu roads. Some communities now having IDP camps in Igbo land. Whose credit? Courtesy of who? That Ahamufu, nobody now can live in villages in Ahamufu. Courtesy of who? Nobody lives in Igbo forest. The Methodist prelate that was kidnapped by this gentle Yahoo's axis, Ako, Ihube, Okigwe, Lokpanta. Now let us even, before I deviate to that side, Abia State Governor now confirmed he went to a place called Obausa, this same place that is around Gentle area, and he saw that it was an abattoir. It was a slaughter slab. And he said it was who? He said it was the Fulani, because the government gave them land there to use as Obausa, and they are using it. Now it becomes a a dropping ground. Those who are not able to meet up with their ransom on time. And he said he met over 48 Ozumadoreto Tigorereto, not the ones that are fresh, the ones that have fermented, rotten beyond recognition. Is that not what our Abia State Governor? Check it. You can see it in video. You can see it in writing form, in written format. So, what are you people talking about? This is human being like us, when you continue to protect these things, it will get to you. Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer, Anyetago solution. Kai Choto and the other video, maybe a better. Kai Choto the mayor and Kai, nobody want to date down. Did it immediately. Governor Ezoku Noronakia, he didn't bother to make it go viral. Okanona he's still in his Twitter account. He's still in his X handle. Because what was it Twitter? Aloow Ejimako. Still in his X handle. Now the no go buy up with Hejiri Kandi should consult Hejiri camera how to, and man, you can't go more. Even I wish like to stop analyzing.
Exactly. You should tell us the things and things in ourselves. Thank you, Governor.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
I now was about talking on the case of the Methodist prelate Ebeno Judea. Then it was the man that made it clear that those people, even not the full people, that no way for you kuni bokita no man no. Any call on them, no mask on as this call or feeling on our Igbo. So that they now speak because they were born and bred there. But all the game of Jakagi, Unujiraku, Nesmen, de Fulani generate. It's well, it's okay.
Thank you. If I'm give them God, or these people now abroad. So what cause all this problem by is the power. Power deploy activity power. Power deploy activity. So only people come here to tell. Only the man of yes, they meeting. For years, people are not meeting here. They can have a party. Only the solution. Yeah, they know to tell. In the next 10 minutes, about one hour, I will see. Nigeria government na yeye yego Nigeria big up town na gina na we place na kaya kena kaya so moving on na buy that thing na why you dey not play
now obono for the point on this particular call and a hit oneku ihe anyị na-agba onwe anyị saga and agba onwe anyị war everything bụ Igbo na-eme onwe. The guy is saying enweta opinion maybe gina mother share exact opinion immediately onye agwakwala enemy gị. You begin to now go let hell loose against on the head of that person. Saga. So you will keep also can you IPOB treatment? Yes. Oh, I'm done need this treatment. Bondi kwesịrị non dia bondi bo enemy. Keka nwanne gị na ya na the same plate overnight bido okabo FIFA. FIFA. Ndị Igbo ya should learn to if onwe n'anya anyị adịrịrị united before anyị na-enwe headway and ofu ihe ka a na-use right they want to divide us at all time any opportunity from all angles and we are accepting it.
Knowing that we may put that in the decadence ya ọchịchị na-achọta amaghị nọ ntọala. So ọchịchị na national na ESN support ESN ha nta na oge aka akọs dị pala ma arụ na dawu dị the more they are following group, the more they are destroying the state and the more they are destroying parties because they are not around. They are not around because we are the kind of now. In the competition between them, the government. So how about the government?
Okay, at this point, we need to stop listening to Governor Ezioku. Now let's listen to this, our brother from Ako community, because ikpe ọbụla mara eziokwu aka azụ dị at least ị na-afụ gentle na-egosi gị iru ya na-eme ị na-afụ some people na-ekwunye side ya nwa na-ekwu ị na-afụ na-egosi gị iru nke ha aṅụ iyi na-ekwu ya mana the other people a na-ekwu ya against this ha nwere ada aṅụ iyi na-egosi iru and at least there are some things, there are indices that you consider before you arrive at a judgment, a conclusion.
Ndị akụ ekele m unu ndị ihe ọma na-adị mma udo ga-adịrị onye chọrọ udo udo agakwa na-adịrị onye achọghị udo onye asịkwa na ọchọghị udo ya werekwa ala zere mmiri ọ dị n'ọfọ. So my fellow Biafrans, I'm greeting you all depending on your time zone and where you're watching me from. So I want to make this video today, especially for Ndi Ako, because Ako is my beloved community. For long, this has been happening over there, but nobody is capable to find out the truth. And why there is truth, everybody was afraid. Everybody is afraid. I risk my life. See now, anything get with two na alak with Aloow as a who. So in this most of the things that may happen nima alak today. First of all, before man agani ahamo Obuano Chebon na Syracuse from Umekegu Amoria Ako Nimo Kigwe State. Popularly known as Syrah Boy, the one and only musician Egum online. So, over the popularly video now go online because of Commander Gentle the Yahoo. I say come put one today, come mend the address on that particular video and to address them on what to do, to tell them that the road that they are following is not a good way for them. Kahamo understand Hemegan Limo Budai. Ebano, one of the victims' house of Edia Hono, a terrorist, net terrorized Alak and the Law Kigwe. Here, part of the house of Baroko. So today, I am just cannot hear my video, but I cannot hear my video. So that everything in Neku, I'm doing it with my evidence. Edia Hono, I have Egwomu onye dekachi onye akụ DSS ka ọ na-arụ owu na ọ dị just also DSS mana we messenger na DSS just a messenger order ka na-enye ya mana enyezie ya order o werezie order ha na-enye ya bịa emebi isi obodo anyị in the name of one asachi Gentle. Mana since that time terrible thing has been happening in my community. We have lost so many people. We have been looking for so many people. We have lost so many souls because of the activities of this young Edi and Hono DSS. Actually, I'm today. When I'm at Bensi, I'm a Syrah boy. I'm going to get because I must speak the truth. Let the world hear me. This video can call the attention of the whole Igbo land, the whole world, to know what is really happening. Propaganda video and propaganda statements and comments and make about Commander Gentle the Yahoo is a lie, typical lie. If you think that you are speaking the right and all the allegation and a book Commander Gentle, truth, prove your evidence. I have my own evidence. This area Honu Ebugo some people in my village, which anytime ọ zọrọ si na ọ na-abịa war, many people gave, which we don't know where they used to go. Mana some people amugo, which we have noticed that they are really dead. They are no more again. So here na go today, kunu get months we chanting of Monday ako. Some of you amaho ebe mmiri si ba n'opi ụgbọgụrụ. Because so many of you have been confused, have been deceived, because you people don't really know what is going on. These people are using us to find their own personal interest, but we don't know. This is the time for us to stand and reason, think on what to do. Your activities ebugo so many souls n'obodo anyị. O nwere one voice note trend of ma n'ime akụ imere si any day ị chọrọ ya wugodi na ọwa onye ara, wurugodi na ọwa onye isi adịghị ma wurugodi old man or anybody gentle ugburu n'ala akụ, which he has not been killing anybody. Mana isi na onwe anybody ugburu n'ala akụ that you will come for revenge. Since I have been monitoring, I've been investigating, I've been checking to know whether we will look for any souls again. But no. Anytime ị bịara war, kpọrọ ndị Fulani eyiri uniform, bata n'obodo anyị bịa mebi isi anyị. So many souls na-anwụ, so many souls na-efu, so many people ka a na-achọgide abịa chọpụta na ha nwụgo. Ndị akụ, achọrọ m ka unu gee m ntị. O nwekwana ihe ọzọ mere eji achọgharị nwoke ka egbuo. Ọkwanị maka nwoke wee nye isiokwu, ndị aga m na-ekwu ya. First of all, ndị akụ tiri m wanted because na akụrụ m egwu title. I titled the song Freedom. Biafran song. I've been performing the song countless times, both on my TikTok accounts. It's online. Ọ mere eji achọ m ka egbuo, mana nevertheless, ọ gakwa eme mma akwụsị eziokwu na-ekwu, ọ gakwa eme mma akwụsị ime ịrụ the good work na-arụ. So achọrọ m ka ndị akụ wit mba ụwa niile zam ajụjụ a, ma ndị a na-akpịsị aha ha na-egburu egbu ma ọ jee ntụ gburu ha. Edi ahụ ọnụ. This last war ka bịara last week, ịgbagburu Ifeanyị Okorie nta ewi, ọ jee ntụ gburu ya. Igburu my brother a na-akpọ Sunday Ụzọkwe Innocent gworo tongwo, onwe onye amaghị ya n'ala akụ. Igburu ya. Igburu nwunye ya Ijeọma Ụzọkwe. Igburu Bekee na ofishi nke na-acha ụcha, onye ama Bekee na-erere anya ice cream. Igburu nwanne ya nwoke Sunday wasụwara, onwe onye amaghị asụwara. Igburu echi nwa. Igburu a young virgin ka na-eto eto n'ala akụ n'ime Amoria a na-akpọ Favor. Igburu that girl. Many of them. Igburu so many souls up to 50, which ma ndị nchetegoro ma ndị mechete. Igburu Onowu. Promise Eze nwanne senior brother gentle the Yahoo, ọ igburu ya. Igburu so many people who na-echeta like this, anya mmiri a na-agba m. A young boy isi Nnewi bata ka ọ bịa nyere mmanya aka ka ọ tụọ ọrụ ugbo, because ebe ọ na-arụ ọrụ onye enyere ya leave ya bata 18 years gị gbagbuo ya si na ọ terrorist n'ime your own town, n'ime your own village. All the whole houses was burnt down because na akụrụ m egwu. Ịgbara ụlọ nna m ọkụ. Our house, my father built that house when he was still at the age of 23. Because that time, when TV na-eme ịchọrọ ịrụ ụlọ, everybody will come and help you. As ọrụ ga-aja red, were ọrụ gị ụlọ free. Everybody enyere gị aka, onye nwere ihe o nwere oshie ya bute ya, enyere gị aka arụ ụlọ gị. My father built that house, but you burnt it down with all the property nọ n'ime there. None of our property was brought out. Ugbu a, so ihe nke na-akpọkwara unu na edi ahụ ọnụ iji ndị Fulani in army uniform were gbuo nwanne m nwoke dede. Igburu Amaka Ajueke. Igburu ya. Igburu so many people. Igburu ụkọ. So many people awụhụ as in ha enweghị any problem igburu ha. Ihe na-achọ ime ka mba ụwa niile mara na ebubo niile a na-eboto the Yahoo wa asị onwe nke mere eme. Gentle is a good man that is protecting our land Biafra, and has nothing to do or to hurt his people in any way. Ya wee eziokwu ndị niile kwesịrị ịmara, wee jikwa na ohere na-akpọkọ the whole world, mba ụwa, with ndị Igbo niile ka ha banyere anyị aka na anya afụgo a lot of things na-agba anyị anya mmiri. ka ha werekwana mara na ọ nwanne anyị nwe ka edi ahụ ọnụ nke DSS wee onye na-eji ndị Fulani in military uniform wee na-abịa egbu every young youth nọ n'Ọkigwe na-rise everywhere wee dị allegation na-ebunye n'isi gentle. Everybody have been seeing it. The truth is finally out. So I'm here to expose it more so that it will go more viral. Only one for the video today. Keep sharing so that.
Hey, Chineke Mera Ebere. Amaram how we get to this point. Governor Eziokwu no man na ndị ọzọ nọ na media biko. This is a special appeal. Biko. Achọrọ m ka unu chọta vidio m plere ebe a. Ka unu jene n'area ya. O nwere ihe mere na Palace Solomon because ịbụ Governor Eziokwu ị na-agụ Bible, ịbụ onye ụka, ana m efolobu gị. So that means ị na-agụ Bible. O nwere Solomon mere. And again, if that reminds me, our pastors and our traditionalists, unu adakwa agbanekwa. O nwere some things ga na-eme n'obodo. Mgbe ochie agbaba afa amara nke bụ eziokwu. Mgbe a metaziri ụka bata, o nwere nke ga na-eme ndị ụka bụ ndị eziokwu n'afọ ụzọ ebuba amụma fụwa ihe na-eme, mana ọ dị ka oke ọchịchọ meziri onweghịzi nke na-enwe isi ebe anyị nọ. So Governor Eziokwu, o nwere ihe mere ebe Solomon mgbe ụmụ nwaanyị abụọ mụrụ nwa nọ, ana m ejikabe eme ihe onyonyo because nje wee cheta ihe ahụ mere ebe ahụ bụ na Solomon ji wisdom wee mara nke bụ eziokwu. Icheki allegations niile ndị niile na-akpọ gentle afọ ọjọọ ya afọ mkpụrụ mmiri uru agụ, onye nke na-akpọ Ikenga uru agụ, ya afọ ndị niile ha na ya na-arụkọ under the same DOS ị na-achọ nọmba ha, ya afọ then icheki sie ndị niile na-akpọ ya afọ ọjọọ, ichekie n'ubi gị and your knowledge of law, ma your enemy onwe mgbe ọ ya abụ your enemy ya eje bupụta ya ekwu eziokwu banyere gị, onye na-achụ ka ya esi daa ada na-achụbụ gị ma onwe mgbe ọ ya ekwu eziokwu banyere gị, okwu niile ọ ga na-ekwu n'isi gị. That is why ọ ya ebu achọba onye ya agba ama, a ya asị gị ọ bụghị onye dị ụtọ, ọ bụghị onye dị ụtọ, onye ya agba ama ya bụrụ. So now ịwọchiri ihe onyonyo ka na n'uche gị na ụbụrụ gị asị nke iji bụrụ mmadụ, ịnụgo ebe a na-ekwu like this particular ihe ndị na-arụ DSS na-eme. Chetakwa that other case, the case nke mekata na Okija, here wo to village of Okija community si wee face kata ihe a. Ichetara ya? Ya DSS office no Okija. Mgbe chikata ichetara. I remember it's just within 2022, 21 they disappeared. So the even Arise TV channels this way all weightier matters discussed. Now the disappearance bụ ihe bidoro now again. Egburu nke amụ igburu edi abana igburu edi afọ na igburu edi nke nwachi nwendụ igburu imere nke a. The confessions niile na-abịa ọkwa ụmụ mmadụ na-anwụ ife a. Ndị a na-egbu ife akwa somebody's mother, somebody's sister, somebody's inugo nke agwa gasị na onye nke a bụ virgin, na onye nke a bụ ihe a igburu. And at the end of the day, amaro exactly ma ebe decide onye gburu na onye egbu ha. At the end of the day, the truth is that na anya asị na egburu ya egbu eziokwu. Na these people nwụrụ anwụ eziokwu. At the end of the day, the confirmation, the bottom line is that na egburu ndị egbu eziokwu. And you know what happened in Okija. The confession drew all over Africa from Arise, from even AIT. The interview, different families, even till next 50 years, even African families, they are affected by those things. Anytime Onyenka had the opportunity to come to the media, to come to any interview, the bitterness, the pain in these families. And onye egburu like this, other again. Some of these people are the breadwinners of these families. These people now, a lot of people now become refugees in their own land. Let's assume in a family, somebody be a hooligan. So because of a member of the family be a hooligan, because of that, other members of the family on a shelter. And where is our conscience? Where is our sense of judgment? Where is our rationality? Where is our reasoning? And I can feeling same mad at all. When you listen to and he will tell you this one, that one. If it is his conviction, why I will not believe in him is this was the same person that convinced a lot of Igbo youths into joining IPOB today. Now, so don't you know that something has exchanged hands? The other one, Udene, or something, was a former member of this same IPOB that lured a lot of youths into joining. Because now they have differences. Is it not exactly like you say, Tinubu Abrozezibo Mado, kind about this Kaduna governor, Erufai now is a saint because Erufai is not talking against Tinubu. You forgot that it is this same person that marketed this same person. Onya marketed Onya because the center is no more holding, it's no more favoring him. He now want to scatter the bed. Nobody should lay on it again. We eziokwu na akwụba ọtọ. From these guys, if we go to now, this is from the point of bitterness. Now, some of the names, Gentle Borafa, some of the names, the other guy Borafa, some of the names Kifukwa Nonyenka Otakwarafa here. This same person here, Nonyenka Ifuna, Onyenka made this particular video now. Because now and we have a victim. Okay, if there are people, okay, as now this guy Wonyoshi and Abomo Yawani. So normally, where law prevails, where there is law, in a state where there is law, is it not to arrest these people? After some interrogations, you discharge them, you release them. Or maybe there as a wine, then you release him on your. So why do we not have correctional facilities? Eburu. Because it has not gotten to us. It has not gotten to us. Until it affects you, then you know na ihe na-ekwu na eziokwu. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Your Excellency, because for me, I'm sorry, not just for you, I hardly call any Nigerian president or governor Excellency, and I hardly use that because I feel they have not performed well enough to enjoy that excellence status or naming. So, but let me call you. Excellency, please. These stories you are hearing, they are humans like you. Families, we are faced with an array of enemy. Even your own community is facing Fulani terrorism. Don't allow anything to stop you from listening to the real cry. The real cry is what Nnamdi Kanu and his people are asking for is not a taboo. It is something that is founded in the law, both local, domiciliary law, and the international law. Self-determination is not a crime. People who are in your party, people who dine and wine with you, people who are called politicians from this region, they are playing politics with human lives. You now hardly will count 100 Igbo families without seeing up to 10 that have been affected by this growing insecurity. That is how far it has gotten. Self-determination is not a crime. General Musa, sir, please, I salute you. Both the men that you send, who sometimes becomes victim in the hands of the people they come to attack sometimes, and those they come to also attack, these are all lives. It would be best we reserve our energy to confront real potential enemies. The people who are asking for self-determination have committed no crime. It is not a sin. If you want to stop them, there are ways you can do that. You can use equal treatment, fairness. But you have never thought of that. It has always been a carrot and stick approach. Whereas we have seen countlessly where terrorists, whom you self recognize, acknowledge that they are, were pardoned and taken back into human society, some taken into the military. Then the people who have no business with terrorism have been so painted that even their own people, it has gone so big, so serious that some of their own people are confused whether their brothers are really now doing this terrorism that they are accused of. This one accusing this one accusing this, and as this accusation is going, human lives are going. Please, in your own community, there is a way you are trying to empower local vigilantes that are not under government control. The chief of the DSS boss said that he's doing the same in his own community. We are trying to have a good security outfit in our own community. In the north there, you have ISBA, which is a local policing that is not under the federal government. In the Yoruba land, we have OPC. As if that is not enough. And they had Omotekun. Our own eastern governors, because of the fear of what you people will do to them, and because of their evil intentions, so that they will continue to have their way with their political assassins and their talks. They can always do what they know how best to do. They did not create. Then our own beloved brother, Nnamdi Kanu, created one. The federal government began to demonize it. Began to cause confusion. And this is where we are today. Our land used to be the most peaceful. The Fulani, the terror groups settling, sacking communities. And this was the good job that Simon was helping to stop. You might not encourage non-state actors handling guns. It's understood. But because you people refuse to allow a political, formal, internationally accepted approach to prevail or to take place, which is allowing a referendum for the people to determine their existence and how their lives will be governed. As it was obvious, or as it is obvious, that the temperament of the people, of the Fulani people and the rest of the Nigerian people, also at different parts of Nigeria, have different views of life, especially those of your Fulani brothers. As it's clear that our temperament, so it would have been best we exist as neighbors. This is not the first time I am doing this kind of video. So, sir, please, the more you people continue to do this, more lives will continue to go down. Does it pay you in any way? It doesn't. Let there be a better meeting ground. Let there be a better approach to resolve all this. Look at this. Accusations. This one said I buy this one. This one said I buy. And this one, accusations. But the truth is, these people who are working as the security of Biafra land, to the best of our knowledge, those things our politicians tell you, these things are not done by these people. And sometimes, maybe not in your knowledge, but you have heard it from a lot of Nigerian elites who mean well, that your men give cover up to this crime. And some have already come even to the public limelight that some of your men are syndicates to this crime. It has been proven. Some of you have even, the Nigerian security outfit, maybe I think the police have already apprehended. There have been cases. I do follow up. The PRO in Abuja, the PRO in, I think, either Kanu, the PRO in Katsina. There have been cases where your men were involved as syndicates, as partners in this crime. Many victims have confessed that these things are happening where you have checkpoints that your men and the police or joint task force have their checkpoints there, and behind them these things are happening. These things, this is barbarism. Yes, we have seen videos of human bones and what, it's obvious barbarism, of course, where people were quiet, people unalived. Also, we saw the video of a soldier, a lady who came. It's highly condemnable. But these things are things that if you as a security chief should understand that there is need. It is done in developed states, because every security is local. If the Biafran security outfits are allowed to take care of their security without interruption, then if anything happens within their region, that before we now have final exodus, final liberation, or final restoration, unless there is something tangibly, I don't see that happening, done to now win their heart back, to win them over again to stay. But if you people can talk about, okay, as a security chief who mean well, you can talk to the government. You see, these people, this is this. I have been a chief. I have been in the field for so long a time. I know the problem. These people have been left out in their allocation of resources of the Nigerian state. They have been left out. And you know that the politicians who are slaves, or say stooges of the caliphate, will never speak up to represent them, and they don't care about these people, the politicians, in as much as they keep on stealing from the common patrimony of the people. they will be okay. So that the only representative these people have is Nnamdi Kanu. So why not we talk with Nnamdi Kanu and now begin to change all the things he has complained about? Why not ask, okay, federal government, what happened with the meeting Nnamdi Kanu held with the Igbo governors, Dave Omaya and his colleague in Enugu government house after he was granted bail? So why did government renege on those things? So why not, as a man who wants peace, who is tired of the waste of human lives? Because sometimes I see you as a man who have conscience. As the other day I will see you as one who doesn't. So why not prove to us you're a man with conscience? And then you find a way of mediating, wading into this matter and solving it. Your men who are quite going to confront these men, the Biafra Liberation Army, are they not human? They have family, and these are things that can be averted. So why keep sending them when you know that the person that you are sending them to go and attack will not fold his hands and watch them attack? And it's accepted. The armies can fight with armies. What is out of the rule of engagement is going to commit genocide. So thank you, all lovers of freedom. Thank you for joining us. I want now to hear the input of those who have one or two things to contribute to this program. Please, can I hear from you? Can you call in? Those who can call in, the line is open. The line is open. Are we expecting any? Are we expecting any to call in? Is anyone calling in? Okay, while we wait a little, I will search if there is any program I will use as outro. I am waiting. Is anybody calling in? Nobody is calling in. All right. In the absence of any call, I am giving a special vote of thanks to all Biafrans who have paid their dues, who have been paying the price, who are standing strong in the midst of all this trial and tribulation, in the midst of all this confusion. Those who have remained resolute, I'm thanking you today, and I'm encouraging you to keep on being resolute. Do more, because nobody will do it for you. It is our cross to carry. And for our brothers in the social media, the content creators, please don't allow yourselves to be used as tools in the hands of the politicians. Soludo now have started the new wave of gathering content creators and paying them ransomly well. 400,000 is not a chicken change. Now things are very hard. I can't remember the class of civil servant that earn up to 400,000 a month. It's only professors. So 400,000, and you should know it is a buying. They are buying you over the way they bought over traditional rulers. So I strongly discourage. It's not a good thing. I discourage that. It's not a good thing. money is not all. We all need money. We can't do anything without money, but money is not all. A time will come when you are faced with that level of reality that money is good, needed in everything, but not all. Because sometimes you will find yourself in that corner where you have eaten your today, tomorrow, and of course your yesterday is already in the toilet. So asim ụfọdụ fọfọ ala fọ ya mara anyị niile mma onye anyị hụrụ tata ka ahụ ya echi. Ya gaziere onye elu, ya gaziere onye ala, unless ndị nke anaghị eme nke ọma. Ngwa na ụmụnne m, ọ gwụla ka ọha m n'ọnụ na ụbọchị taa.